Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel BRP Traders. So now we're gonna see the some of the forex pair where they gonna work for this week. Okay guys, this will act as one of the world supporting areas. Okay guys, just I will do it. Okay, right now somewhere here only I am seeing the trend line like this guys. Okay guys, so what we have to see is right now is that if it will consolidate and came somewhere support and taken support and break this, then you can easily achieve your first target. This will be the second, this will be the third, and eventually this will be the fourth target. Okay guys, you can just take a screenshot also guys, pause the video. Okay guys, we're gonna see for downside also if it will came and take here somewhere resistance. Our first target will be a second target and our third and final target. Remember this guys, because of here I am seeing the buyer dominance, so it's a very high probability it gonna break upside and use our first, second and third, at least third target. Okay guys, hope you are getting the all logic guys. Okay guys, we can see for GBP versus Japanese, and right now guys here also I have made it, but I have not posted any video guys. Okay, just let it be. And right now what we have to see is that this will be the one of the defending area it will act as. Okay guys, so what we gonna see is that if it will continuously consolidate and here somewhere it will broke, you can expect your first target, second target, third and eventually fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. We can see for downside also take resistance, we can expect our first target, second target, our third target. Okay guys, these are the three targets in downside for GBP versus Japanese, and we can see for next major forex pair is USD versus CAD. Okay guys, in USD versus CAD what happened is that guys, here the major selling is coming along. Okay guys, what we have to see right now, if it will go once again somewhere here only and take resistance, then you can expect your first target. If it doesn't and it continuously consolidate and came somewhere here only, it has to broke this broken, then you can expect somewhere here only very huge and very bigger supporting area, because buyers are so much dominance from here. You can expect your first target and second target. If it broke, then you can expect your first target, second and eventually third target. Our first target somewhere here guys, second, third and fourth. If it is taking support, our first, second target, and just a second guys. Okay, if somewhere here only consolidate, then you can go for your first, second and your third target. Okay guys, these are the some of the target guys. We can see for GBP versus US dollar guys, right now it's acting as a resistance, so we have to just stretch it out. Okay, so what I am getting somewhere here only, it's acting as a supporting area. Okay guys, so what we have to see is that if it will consolidate then broke upside. Okay guys, our first target eventually, our second target, our third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, somewhere price action will made, I will update you in the Telegram channel also. If it will take resistance somewhere here only it has crossed, then you can go for your first, second, this will be the third and final fourth target. Okay guys, these are the some of the target. Now we can see for euro versus US dollar, you can see here guys, exactly the selling has been came from here only, so we do not need it right now. We have to see here, because of this will acting as a major supporting areas right now. So what we have to do is right now is that here somewhere just a second guys, so I will just remove this. So okay, this somewhere trend line is going on, just keep it like this. Okay guys, if it will came downside somewhere like this and take support of first target, it will broken, then our second target, our third target and fourth target. Okay guys, eventually what I am seeing here, it will goes and take resistance and came down somewhere here. Our first target will be here guys, second target will be here and our third target up till here and fourth target. Okay guys, hope you are getting all the logic. Because of the trace trend line, I am getting that it will take resistance and came downside. That's why I have explained this. Okay guys, we can see for euro versus GBP guys. In euro versus GBP, somewhere here only the selling has been came along. So what we have to do is just a second guys. So okay, right now if once again goes somewhere here only, it's coming downside, this has been broken, then you can keep your SL at this point and take your fresh position. First target will be here, your second target, your third target, and fourth and final target. Okay guys, if this is broken and somewhere consolidation happen and broke your first target, second and third target. Okay guys, these are the some of the target in euro versus GBP. We can see for AUD versus CHF. Right now what I am saying here is that it's getting very nice momentum right now, but we have to see that it is acting as supporting area. So what we have to see right now is that somewhere here only at this position only, if this crosses and somewhere taken support, your first target, your second and your last target will be somewhere here only. Three target you can take along. Okay, if it will came down and making a move, then you can expect your first, second and fourth target. Okay guys, third, fourth. Okay guys, if it's coming down and taking just a second guys. Okay, so if it will came downside somewhere right here, our first target, second and our third target will be somewhere like this. Okay guys, we can see for NSD versus US dollar guys right now. Okay guys, what happened here only, the thing is that taking resistance. So right now we are getting very nice momentum. So this will be the one of the supporting areas. It will gonna act like along. Okay guys, what we have to see is somewhere here only consolidate came down, so somewhere here taken support, our first target, our second target, third, and this will be the final fourth target. Okay guys, if it will came and somewhere taken a resistance or taking a halt somewhere here and broke our first target, second and eventually third target. Okay guys, we can see for next major forex pair is that okay, just all major forex has been over. So right now you can get the all the ideas guys how it's gonna work. Also I have posted you all the major forex pairs guys, you can check out. Also I have uploaded the commodity and the some of the cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum, how it gonna moves and what will be the your strategy to trade next week. Okay guys, you can check out there. Also our accuracy is very high. You can check out the genuinity guys. I always told you check out the analysis so you can get the idea how we gonna trade and how it's behave and what our accuracy will be there. Okay guys, hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching. Share with your friends and families guys. Thank you so much.